Archddiacon Andy, ni'n paratoi eich ffarwelio, a mae'n amser drist I ni fel teulu yr esgobaeth. Be fydd eich atgofion fwy felys am eich amser gyda ni fel Archddiacon?
O hyd, bod i'n gorffen, mae'n syndod I fi mod I wedi bod yn Archddiacon. Trwy fy weinidogaeth, o'n I jyst disgwyl bod yn ficer mewn blwydd. Felly mae wedi bod yn hollol wahanol, a dwi wedi mwynhau gweithio gyda'r tîm o ficeru a curadon, y clerigion ar yr ynys, ond hefyd pobl Ynys Môn. Mae'n wahanol I bobl Sir Ceredigion a Sir Caerfyrddin, ond eto I gyd, jyst wedi bod yn dda I weld y ffordd maen nhw wedi bod yn agored I wrando a gwaith o'r ysbryd. Felly, jyst wedi mwynhau jyst bod gyda'r pobl ac yn arbennig y tîm o glerigion ar yr ynys.
We've so much to thank you for your ministry, your faithfulness, your sheer kindness, and the way that you've brought people together. I wonder what your prayers might be for the future of the church here on Ynys Môn and in Bangor Diocese.
Yeah, we are at a real crossroads, I think, and we've got to make some big decisions about direction and resources and how we're going to move forward and what the church is going to look like over the years to come. And I think we need real wisdom in that. We need some courage in that. We need some real boldness to make big decisions, because I think it's more and more clear. We probably don't like to face up to it, but it's more and more clear that all the churches that we've got and the way we've been doing ministry and serving people, it's going to have huge changes. So I think my big prayer is just for wisdom, for the leadership of the diocese, for the new Archdeacon, for the clergy and for the people, and for a graciousness to accept that we need to move, change and think differently. But I'm convinced, if we make the right choices and turn in the right direction, that we'll see a thriving, vibrant church on Anglesey and across the diocese. We had a glimpse of it in our synod service a couple of weeks ago, and just to see people worshipping together, learning together, praying together, there are real signs of hope. And and I think events like that remind us, actually, although sometimes we think, we've got tiny little congregations and things are really tough, when you pull it together, there's actually real strength and some real depth there. So my prayer is for real wisdom and boldness and courage in the decisions that need to be taken.
And you're facing the final few weeks amongst us, packing up, preparing to move happily still within Wales, but to a new life in retirement. How can we pray for you for the years ahead for you?
Yeah, I mean, I suppose it's one of the things with ministry that although you come to retirement and you stop being paid for what you do, you can continue to do the things that bring a real sense of joy and excitement. And I won't be sad to see all the committees and the paperwork sort of put to one side. But where we're moving to, there's a new vicar there, very very new in ministry, and it'll just be lovely to be alongside and encourage. And we'd love to make an impact on the village where we're living, to be parishioners, if you like, in the full sense of the word. And so again, it's for wisdom, because I've already had invitations to go here and help and there and do something and all sorts of different projects, and I'm just trying to resist so that I can do the things that I think will be of most benefit to the local church, and have the courage to say no to some things, but really just have a ministry of encouragement and support in retirement to the local church and to the local clergy.
You've been a great friend to us, Archdeacon Andy, and we hope we'll see you again frequently in the future.
Thank you. We've got family here on the island, as you know, in Broadticilio. We'll be back and forth to see them, and I'll continue just to keep an eye on what's going on and to continue to pray, and just looking forward to what develops here over the years to come. Thank you.
Well, diolch a phob bendith.
Diolch yn fawr.